Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how you can check messages in the Snapchat app without opening them. But before we start this video, friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments and put your likes. So let's get started with you, friends. And I will say that it is very convenient that Snapchat has one tricky option, thanks to which you can see and read messages, but you do not open the conversation. To do this, please open the Snapchat app. Next, you will need to go to the chat section at the bottom. And here, friends, click on a conversation that you've selected and pull it from left to right like this. And don't pull it all the way down so that there's a little bit of space. That way, you'll see the message. So, one more time. You click on the person and pull. That's how you get to the conversation and you see the message. The main thing is, don't let it go, don't pull it to the end, but bring that conversation back to the left side. That's how very quickly you can, friends, check the message in Snapchat without opening them. I really hope the video has helped you out. Don't forget to put likes and also subscribe to our channel. See you, friends.